Hey, welcome back to another video of Programmer Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to change your password in WordPress account. First of all, open up your preferred web browser. Now at the address bar, type in wordpress.com and click on enter. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Now hover your mouse to the profile section, which is at the top right corner of your screen, and you will find edit profile button. Click on it. Now at the left hand side of your screen, you can see security tab. Click on it and you will see a password button here. Click on it. Then you need to type in a new password on this field. If you cannot think of a good password, you can click on generate a strong password button here, which will automatically generate a strong password for you. Now click on set password button. And that is how your password has been changed. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.